Sweet, spicy, salty, and a little bit sour. Thai salads are all about balancing flavours and textures. This Thai-style prawn and papaya salad finds that balance perfectly, and it's a recipe you'll definitely keep coming back to. First up, we're going to make a classic Thai-style dressing by juicing a lime and adding some grated palm sugar. Palm sugar available in Australia usually comes in small hard pieces, so I usually grate them first using a cheese grater. I find it's best to add the lime juice and palm sugar together first and taste that until you get the right balance between sweet and sour. Once you're happy with the balance, we can add some fish sauce for saltiness. This dressing should keep for about a week or so in the fridge, and you can add it to almost any Thai-style dish. Like many Thai salads, we're going to add some toasted sticky rice powder to this one. To make the toasted sticky rice powder, we're going to start by adding some glutinous rice to a pan and cooking it on a low heat till it goes a nice brown colour. While the rice is toasting, we can start preparing the other ingredients of the salad. Finally slice 2 bird's eye chilies, and then roughly chop a bunch of snake beans. This salad is going to have plenty of aromatic herbs. We're going to start off by roughly chopping some sawtooth coriander, and then pick some normal coriander and some mint. Next up, we can start slicing the papaya. Make sure you're getting an unripe one, which is going to be green on the outside and white on the inside. Peel the papaya and then slice it into thin strips using a mandolin. By now the rice should be a nice golden brown colour. Take it off the stove and add it to a mortar and pestle, and grind it down into a fine powder. Next up, we'll finally slice some shallots and roughly chop some raw prawns. Next, we want to heat a fry pan as hot as we can get it. Add a little bit of oil and then start frying off the prawns and shallots together. Make sure you spread these out so they properly fry and don't stew in their own juices. Leave these to fry on one side for about a minute or so they get a nice bit of colour. Once the prawns have got a bit of colour on one side, give the pan a bit of a stir and cook for a further minute or so, or until the prawns are just cooked through. Once the prawns are cooked, take them off the heat and allow them to cool while we start preparing the salad. Grab a large mixing bowl and add in the papaya, the herbs, snake beans, chili, sticky rice powder, the dressing, and finally the prawns. Give this a quick mix together and it's ready to serve. If you're interested in trying this at home, then I've got a link to the full recipe in the description of this video. If you want to see more videos like these, then please help us out by subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.